Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting the workpiece chemically clean and mechanically secure. This matters because surface oxides change color. Once cleaned, mount titanium to an insulated clip and position a stable cathode at a fixed distance. Fill a plastic tank with distilled water and the chosen electrolyte, sulfuric or boric acid at the proper concentration. Then connect the positive lead to the titanium. Make sure grounding and PPE are in place. This is the only way to initiate consistent oxide thickness and predictable colors. You now control oxide growth by adjusting voltage carefully. The dielectric thickness, and therefore color, correlates directly with volts. Once at the starting voltage, increase slowly in predictable increments if you need a different hue, watching current for sudden spikes which indicate contact or contamination. Maintain steady electrolyte temperature and gentle agitation to prevent hotspots. Make sure to log voltage and exposure time for repeatability. This is how you turn electrical input into consistent, visible color changes. To finish, switch off power before lifting the part to prevent arcing, then rinse thoroughly in distilled water and dry quickly to avoid staining. Once dry, you can seal the oxide with a light oil or clear lacquering for durability. If you encounter patchy or muddy colors, reclean the surface, ensure solid clips and cathode spacing, and use smaller voltage increments. This reduces uneven oxide growth. Make sure to inspect for contamination and repeat the controlled ramp. That single corrective tip fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.